Hi, welcome to the podcast for When the Curves Line Up for July 19, 2023. Please see the article that includes diagrams of today's events on the website. Text by Jeffrey L. Hunt. In Chicago, the sun rises at 5:32 a.m. Central Daylight Time, followed by sunset at 8:21 p.m. Here is today's planet forecast. In the morning sky, bright Jupiter is visible during morning twilight. Find it about 40 degrees up in the east-southeast at 1 hour before sunrise. The planet is moving eastward in front of Aries, 11.9 degrees below Hamel, the constellation's brightest star. Saturn, dimmer than Jupiter, is in the south-southwest, at a lower altitude, height above the horizon, than the Jovian giant. The ringed wonder is retrograding, appearing to move west against Aquarius, 7.2 degrees to the upper right of Skate, meaning the leg, and 5.6 degrees to the lower right of Lambda Aquarii. See the article for the detailed chart. These stars are dim and a binocular is needed to see them, especially from urban and suburban settings. Check the relative place of Saturn compared to these stars every few mornings to see its westward direction. In the evening sky, Venus, Mercury, Mars, the crescent moon, and Regulus are in the west after sundown, but the dimmer bodies are hiding in the colorful splash of evening twilight. From Mercury to Mars, they span 19.5 degrees. Use a binocular and find a clear view toward the western horizon. Finding these objects in the western sky is not an easy task, but begin looking about 35 minutes after sunset with a binocular, especially for Mercury, Mars, and Regulus. Brilliant Venus is easy to locate through twilight's blush soon after nightfall. By 45 minutes after sunset, Venus is 5.0 degrees up in the west. The crescent moon, 5% illuminated, is 9.2 degrees to the upper right of the evening star and too far away for both to fit into the same field of view. Mercury, 3.0 degrees above the west-northwest horizon and nearly 13 degrees to the lower right of Venus, is 6.3 degrees to the lower right of the crescent and in the same binocular field. Hold the binocular so that the moon is toward the upper left part of the view. Mercury appears to the lower right edge of the field. The star Regulus is 3.7 degrees above Venus and in the same binocular field of view. Venus was closest to the star 3 nights ago, but there was no conjunction. The planet is slowing to reverse its direction in 3 nights. Mars is marching away from the scene, 5.7 degrees to the upper left of Regulus. It passed the star on the 10th. The planet is dim and slowly slipping into bright evening twilight. It passes behind the Sun on November 17th. Because Mars revolves around the Sun at about half Earth's rate, its absence from view takes an unexpected long period. After it disappears into brighter twilight is not visible again until 2024. Venus, Mars, and Regulus are too far apart to fit into the same binocular field of view. Find either planet with the star. Tomorrow evening, the moon is in the same binocular field with Mars. Saturn rises about 2 hours after sunset. An hour later, it is low in the east-southeast. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.